Hello everyone, Software Craze here, and I will show you today a very beautiful application launcher for your PC, and it's called Krento, and I will put the download link in the description below. So why I like this, because this is very handy and you can launch it anytime you want within any window. So that will be very useful if you want to launch your application very quickly. So when you first launch Krento, this it will look like this, something like this, and you will see an animation going on in here. This is called pulsar. This is just indicator that Krento is installed and running. So I do not like it. You can hide it by just right clicking on it and choose hide pulsar. We do not need that. So this is the Krento, and you can launch it. The default shortcut key for the launching this one is middle mouse button of or your mouse wheel button of your mouse. If you press the mouse wheel button, it will launch it will launch it anywhere your mouse is within any window or application. So this is very useful in that case. So some of you, when you first launch this application, you may see an error message. So don't worry, this error message actually shows because the default launch shortcut key for this Krento is Windows button plus S, and Windows 10 and other Windows are actually using Windows plus S. That's why this error is showing. So we will I will show you how to fix that. So if you want to change or modify any circle, this is called circle icon circle or circle. If you want to add any of your application shortcut or folder or file shortcut, it's very easy. Just drag and drop in here this rectangle over this rectangle, and it will be automatically added in here. This is very simple. Just drag and drop and it will be added automatically. So if you want to remove any application shortcut or modify any application shortcut, just hover over that shortcut and choose this trash can to remove and this one to edit. So let's say I want to edit this, choose edit, and you can define your custom icons for that, and you can redefine your target as well. So this is very handy. And let's say how other option you get. This option is power management. If you click this, you will see some power option, your PC shutdown, restart, hibernate options. This will be handy for quick uh, this is just for quick shortcut. As a quick shortcut, this middle one is your default. So if you create multiple icon circle shortcut circle, this and if you choose a specific circle as your default on, so this icon will always show. Let's say I have changed my default circle to this one, and if I want to go back to this default one, just click the home button and it will automatically take me to this default one. So, and this is your select circle icons. If you click, and if you have multiple circle available, all the circle will show in here. And if you want to create your own circle, just press this one, create new circle, and it will pop up. For give it the circle name in here. Let's say I'm giving this the games name games, and you can choose the icons for the circle and description as well, and click OK, and you can see the circle has been added, but no icons are there, no shortcuts are there. Just simply drag and drop your shortcut in here and it will automatically add in here. So this is very simple, and you can see my games circle is showing in here, and if I add custom icon, this icon will show up in here. So this is very useful and handy to organize and clean up your desktop and taskbar. So the next one is settings option, and you can control your setting from here, and the other one is application. So you can quickly search your application from here. So let's take a look at the settings of this Krento. Just click on the settings and you can see there are a bunch of options that are available in here. First one is option. This is the preference or main options of this of Krento, and the next one is create new circle. And if you want to create new circle, choose create new circle. This is task manager shortcut. If you click this one, the task manager circle will launch, and you can remove that as well, no problem. And this one is a choose current skin, change current skin. And if you, this one is to change the theme of the if your circle, and I will show you later. And this one is modify, and if you want to modify your circle, just choose that one. And the next one is delete. If you want to delete any let's say I want to delete this circle, just choose delete and it will be deleted from there. And this next one is add a stone. To add any new icon placeholder in here, you have to choose add a stone and then the help option. So let's explore the options in here. And these are the default option. And as I said earlier, if you see any error when you launch Krento, just uncheck this one and this one. If you uncheck this box, the error will be fixed. This means the Krento will not use the Windows plus S as your default keyboard shortcut. So the error will be fixed. And this, if you want to run Krento every time you launch your restart your PC, just put a check mark in here, launch Krento when Windows start, and it will launch automatically when the Windows start, and you will be able to access this immediately. So in this section you can see mouse activation. So I like the default, this is the way to launch Krento using your mouse, and I like these options. By default you will be, this option will be selected, mouse wheel click. So when you click the middle mouse or mouse wheel, the Krento will launch. And there are a bunch of other options as well. So I as I use the mouse wheel click to open my new tab in browser, so I am using control plus mouse. I am checking this control button, so when I press the control and click the mouse wheel, the Krento will launch. I like this setting. So to change your setting based on your needed. And this the on the bottom section you can see circle location, and you can choose your where the circle will show up when you press the shortcut key. And this first option is the screen center. So if you press the shortcut key to launch Krento, it will always show in this center of your screen. This one is mouse cursor position, so the Krento will show when your current mouse is. And this one is fixed position, so if you want to give a fixed position of Krento. So the next setting is tuning section, and there are a bunch of options available in here. In the personalization section you can see show tray icons. So if you want to show the Krento icon in the system tray, this here, so choose this option. I think this option is handy. If you want to change quick action or setting of Krento, just right click on it and you will see lots of option in here. So then there is option called use sound. When you, if you want to play a sound every time Krento is launching, so every time Krento launches, so choose this one. I do not like sound, so I am unchecking this. And this show circle when Krento starts. So when the Krento starts, the circle will show automatically. This option I do not also need this, and I do not need this option either. And you can choose this option, live reflection of icons. This will eat up your RAM a bit, but it will increase the visual appearance of your icon. So let's say I am checking this one and checking OK, and if we launch this one, you can see there are reflection showing under the bottom under the icon. So this is this reflection is for that, so we do not need it, just uncheck it. And in the user folder section you can define the default location of Crentho, screen folder, data folder, cache folder, etc. And the maintenance section, if you the Crentho, if it seems Crentho a bit laggy, you can clear the cache and you can choose your setting, backup, etc. in here. And there is a language option and menu screen option. I will show you the menu screen option later. And the last section, circle section, you can change the setting of your circle, Crentho circle, this Crentho circle radius, stone size, and transparency, fade, delay, window width, etc, etc, and icon size as well. So you can change in here. When you are done, just click OK. So as I have said, the default shortcut for Crentho is Control plus mouse wheel. I am pressing the Control and mouse wheel, the circle is showing up. So let's say this is my circle, and let's say I want to change this visual appearance of these icons. I do not like the blue background, and there are tons of themes available of Crentho. Just right click on this area and choose change current skin, and there are tons of skin available in here. You can see, let's say I am changing this to Crentho Classic, and you can see the icon has changed to Crentho Classic. And there are other options, you can try it which one you like the best. And I like the one black called blank. It just show up the icons, nothing else, so it looks clean to me, clean looking, so I choose this one. So you can change or use any theme you want. And if you right click in any section, and you can see this menu background is black and white border, we can also change that as well. Just go to options, and as you can remember this menu skin, if you choose change this to, let's say, smoked glass and launch Crentho and right click, and you can see this has changed. So I like the default one, by the way, so I'm changing into default one. So this is Crentho, and I think this is a very useful application or app launcher, and I use it on regular basis, and this is very good time saver as well. So if you like my video, click like button and also subscribe in my channel.